Hi, this is Mrs. Cotter. We're going to go over week 8, day 5. So this activity for day 5 is optional, but it's a really great activity where you can challenge yourself. So we're going to go over it, and I'm going to show you some other challenging ways to do this problem. So it says, this activity provides an opportunity for students to continue to practice this week's skills. This is an optional task. What creative ways can you shade 1/4? Shade 1/4 of each square in a creative way. So we have 4 squares. They're all the same. So the first way that you can look at it is you can look at it at the whole square as in 1/4. So if you look at this square right here, you can see that it's cut into 1/4 if you just look at each piece. So what you can do is you can color in each square, and that would be 1/4. So you can color in this square, then for the next one you can color in this square, because remember it's cut into 1/4 pieces. And you can color in this square, and then you can color in this square, 1/4, while not paying attention to the pieces in the middle. Now that's an easy way that you can show 1/4, but we're going to look at it in a different way. So let's look at this first picture right here. We see 1/4. It's cut into 1/4 pieces, right? And if I want to show 1/4, I can color in one piece. So I colored in one piece in red. Then what I did is I took this square right here and I split it up into 1/8. So now it's each piece equals 1/8, right? So now what I can do to show 1/4, I need to color in how many 1/8? Well, I need to color in 2. So here I colored in 2. And I can see that while I'm cutting 2 up, I have the same exact shape right here. So 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. Now this is the shape that we had originally in the last picture. This is the original shape. So you can see for this square right here, I can color in 2 of these rectangles to show 1/4. And this shows me 1/4 in this shape. Just like how it shows 1/8. It shows me 1/4 because 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. Now, let's look at this picture. Again, I have my 1/4. I cut it up into 4 pieces. And then I took this same exact picture and I cut it up into 1/8 a different way. This time I cut it diagonally. So how many 1/8 do I need to color in to show this shape? I need to color in 2. So now I'm going to color in 2/8. Again, 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. And by coloring in 2, I get this shape right here. Now let's look again at our original shape. Let's look at this piece. If I color in 2 of these, right here, I get that same exact shape. Remember, 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. So this is showing me 1/4 in this shape right here. All right, let's look at it again. Again, I have my 1/4, but this time I split it even more and I split it into 1/16. How many 1/16 do I need to color in to show this shape right here, 1/4? I need to color in 4, so I need to color in this whole, each triangle. So I have 4/16 to get 1/4. So 4/16 is equivalent to 1/4. Now let's again look at our original shape. So I can color in 4 of these to get 1/4. I can choose to color in this, like that. That shows me 1/4. Or maybe I want to do it a different way and I want to color it like this. I'm going to erase that part. And maybe I want to show 1/4 like this. That shows me 1/4 as well. 1, 2. If I split this like that, that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me 4 pieces. That would show me 1/4. All right. So you can color in however you want, but this is showing that 4/16 is also equivalent to 1/4, and then the last one, 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4. So you can choose however way you want to color it. All right, and that's all for week 8, day 5. All right, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.